Hello, party people. Did you guys miss me? Anyway, I'm back, and with no time to waste, let's jump straight into the video. Happiness sounds like this. Who's been watching our second channel? Link in description. This is every Supra at a car meet. I think this dude just had an orgasm. This is why I want an RX-7. This is what the devil looks like. I bet he eats Mustangs for breakfast. Damn! Look at the size of that back box. Hands up if you like the R35. How to leave with style. Your support on the second channel has been crazy, guys. And we said bye-bye. Scared the life out of that, bro. You will never be late again. Car said, "Shut the hell up."
Go ahead.
How I wake my neighbors up. Don't forget to subscribe to our second channel for the best car quizzes on YouTube. Link in the description. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.